Hello friends, this guy sold his newsletter for $75 million which he had started when he was in his hostel room. Approximately 600 crore rupees. Newsletter, just a newsletter. Let's see how we can do it too using ChatGPT. To start a newsletter, you need to ask these three questions to yourself. Why, what and how. First question, why should you start a newsletter? There are three reasons why you should start a newsletter. First reason is that it is completely free. You don't need a mic, you don't need camera gear, you don't need anything to start an email newsletter. Second reason is it has low friction. Anybody can get started. People who are scared to show their face on YouTube, they can instead take this hobby and start an email newsletter. Third reason, there's no algorithm that is controlling your reach, controlling your growth, etc. You are the owner of your audience and you are also the owner of your own growth. Fourth reason, there are many ways to monetize it. You can monetize your email newsletter with many ways, such as affiliate links, sponsorships, promoted posts, or even selling your own products. You can sell the entire newsletter just like Morning Brew did, the person about whom we talked in the beginning of the video. Second question, what should you write about? Let's be clear here. You can't earn money from day one itself. In newsletter, you have to put in some effort first and then the money will start coming. So you need to write about something that you're genuinely interested in talking about. You can write about fan fiction stories, latest technology, or you can even ask ChatGPT for topics on which you can write your articles. You could also write something like 5 Bullet Fridays. This is the easiest thing where you can just talk about the things that you enjoyed in the entire week. It could be some post that you saw, it could be some event, it could be some conversation, podcast, anything, whichever you like. Just 5 things every Friday, just put it in your newsletter. Third question, how to get started. Set up your account on Substack, and if you have already decided on a niche, go ahead and ask ChatGPT for some topic ideas and then tell it to write some articles on those topics. Then you can edit it, proofread it and add a little bit of flavor, your flavor, so that it remains yours. It doesn't remain a generic AI written article. Then you have your first article to be published on your newsletter. Before you go, I have some tips to promote the email newsletter. First tip is to promote it on Facebook and LinkedIn groups. Second tip is share it with your friends and at networking events. Third, if you have a blog, mention it there and get your blog audience to subscribe to your newsletter and maybe promote your blog also in your newsletter. And fourth tip, you can ask ChatGPT itself to give ideas to promote your email newsletter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!